Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. I need to talk so that myself be understood as well as my life is on a situation of happy mode. What they doing, they uses black magic so that myself be ruined, be destroyed, which is I need to talk. I wish talaga the kabit be dead. Kabit tends to get of my own feeling and then tends to enjoys it, which is uses it. I am on year 2019 and then this is my talking. I am on portion in here. Love life and then feeling boyfriend girlfriend. My year 2019, I am 24-year-old. My self-focus is when it comes onto love life to Alex Angementisa Jr. ko, also named as Manuel Quezon the First, is having a family, of which is the focus is kids, baby. That is, year 2019 is my business idea, thinking process due to family. So, I think multiple count of business year 2018, year 2019 for family to, of myself to Alex Angementisa Jr. ko. I will just eat the moment. I start to think of business idea year 2019. March. March it is. March. That is moment of myself on writing peso, letter C, letter H, letter A, letter L, letter L, letter E, letter N, letter G, letter E. That is the start of it. March, month of March. I start on farm. Farm is what I am thinking of. Oh, March it is. March or April. I create my fishy dream bowl. And then during year 2019, oh, that is the start of it, of myself thinking process. Oh, it is good that I say it. That is the content of my love life to Alex ko year 2019 at the age of 24-year-old to have a business. And then, what is being Alex Jr. ko during year 2024 is Kayumanggi color. Why? I not know. Oh my God. When I talk, it is somehow clearer about the situation. What it is being says of the right eye. The reason of why Alex Jr. ko is from brownish to Kayumangi. And then suddenly Wilson is on my right eye showing his face of which is dark chocolate. I know the color of that person. Hindi, wait lang. Oh, someone interferes, says wait lang. Girl gender. I will show my fishy dream bone. I will write it. Year 2019 as well. Maybe month of July or September. July, August, or September. It is being destroyed on the on such this on in here being such this ganon such that I will write the content of my fishy dream bone. It is good that I say it. Those criminals talking on my right ear, snubber, saying natural yakadiri. I not want to say that. And this one no, is being says of the person. Such this word. Nakakadiri sila. Oh, when I write my fishy dream bone, myself is not on such as feeling high. Those is what I like on my life. Such as a normal person, ambition on life. I will draw it. They is they is angry, putting angriness on myself. Those person that uses black magic. So here myself will write. That is not. Wait lang. Here myself will write. I am in here on writing. Na until. Oh, the moment that I write the Bible verse, that is the moment that is being clear of it. Being such this. Being such this. Oh, that is the moment. I not know the reason. It is Mark. Mark is what I put in here. Hmm. Talk lang talaga ako ng talk. Myself should talk on my situation, about my situation. The right eye says, myself talks, so that be understood. could not remember. This is only what I could remember. Wait, narrative. When I count it, I not count it. I should count it during that moment. Year 2019, that is start of it March or April month. Previous day when it is today is April 9, 2025. On during year April 7, 2025, it is being shown on myself on my right eye talking while not videoing about blaming on such as to have palace here at Philippines. Palace such as about Cinderella. The reason is about blaming. I not know what it means. Of what is my self talks that is only the content of it. Time to. And then while I talk of such that, the bad person talks on my right ear at the moment. What is there about to blame? And not know. Ronald Gonzalez Magnaya is killer. What? What is they about to blame? Not no, timik to. I will talk. They is bad person, lover Alex ko. About the palace, about Cinderella Palace here, Philippines. They is about on the word blame. And then they is putting heaviness word about. I not know the reason. Grabe. I not know. That is what is being said during April 7, 2025 on my right forehead, right eye. I am indoor, sitting on the sofa. That is how they kills me. They is killing me. What else it is? Harassment na naman. My fishy dream bone. Mm. Oil, none. None. Car, none. Car. The car is year 2022. It is being forced to myself to have car even though I not like. Cavite. The Cavite. They want me to have business about car. I not like. They is putting heaviness on myself so that myself is on a situation of no enjoyment on life. The enjoyment on life of myself is to have work, love, life, travel, such that. And then the bad person talks on my ear at the moment. They is slapping my ear. Kabitwakin kadiri, Tony kadiri, may kadiri is getting of what is mine. Iyo, lover ko, Alex ko. What else? Business, I will say business so that I could remember it. Water, none. Uh, Energy, electric energy. That is on a form of government, solar. not business. Because of it is government, because all of the uh, my talking year 2021, all of house solar panel already is uses. That is me talking year 2021. They like it and then they tends to get it and then I not know what happened. Boastful it is about when it comes onto them. Myself being targets on angriness of them. The right eye. They is putting angriness to myself even though that is my thinking process. So meaning to say, there is person that enjoys my thinking process. And then the other person is anger because I think of it. Then the person that enjoys my thinking process is putting harassment on myself. Harassment is a description of I am a girl gender that being tends to do malicious body movement, something such that. The bad person talks on my ear when they will be dead. That is what is happening. I not enjoy my life. So meaning to say, a person that about money is truthfulness enjoys life. What is the problem is the person that uses black magic. I'll just eat. Why do I say that? Because of when it is about thinking process on business, it is happy passion. And then yeah, the bad person, the bobo camouflage interferes. That person does not want me to be rich person, even though myself is capable. And then putting myself on killing. The definition of killing is putting brain cancer is what the person is aiming. At the moment they is hurting in here. They tends to hurt it. What else it is? Oh, when I say such that, and then a person when it comes onto being on high and situation of money knows of what to do, of what is like, and then of what is one's own life, such that. So that the killing portion on myself, they not want me to have work, they not want me to travel, they is already on a body movement when it comes on to travel. Oh, when it comes on to traveling, they putting traumatization on myself. Traumatization that they put is not equivalent on my being ignorance. Specific is what they doing. On traumatization, they is talking on my ear so that I could not enjoy the scenery when I travel, when I go to a specific location. The about enjoyment is the what you call that, the silence of wherein that is as well part of my life when it comes onto scenery. Those person that talks on my ear is Filipino. They is from here Philippine, and then they is killer, they is envious on life. So it is such as they is anger on myself as I say this to other camera video of myself previous year 2024. There is person that anger to myself that I enter college degree because I will be happy. That is how they is criminal. And then this year 2019, I not know the reason of why they is so clingy on myself. They not socialize on myself. Oh, another strategy of them talanya relatives cousin. They is on a creation of situation about strategy of them when it comes onto the word socialization. Because I talk on such days. That is why I not want to socialize onto them. Harassment is what they're doing. What else? I will say it. My talking about solar panel. That is a form of government when I talk about it. Year 2021 that is. Wine. No. No. Mm, products. No. Toyem case is an entrepreneurship year 2021. I will talk about it as well. What else? I write in here retail. Food. I feel dizzy. Food restaurant. I feel dizzy in here. Why? Wait lang. Aray ko. Myself has myself is on hitness. Letter H, letter E, letter A, letter T, letter N, letter E, letter S, letter S. I have fever at the moment at this day. It is ill. It is a. They talk on my ear. They not stop on talking. Scare is what I feel. What else? Technology. I am on number two already when it comes onto dizziness. Technology. The first is food and then the next is technology. My eyes on a. I feel dizzy. I am holding my top of head, the portion that I stab that is being stabbed my head. Temiko. Aray, it is so ache. Yeah, relax ko. Technology. Year 2019. It is March or April. Year 2019. Myself writes. This one. I write year 2019 about such this. And then the year 2019 about built-in Wi-Fi is month of November. And then during March, April, it is being such this of what I myself says. Temiko, what else? Ano pa ba? I'm not gold digger. What is I like a business? I put on fishy dream bone. Chocolate about. No. But during year 2021, I have a thinking process of chocolate. Let me talk so that myself be understood. I not know what is the reason why this is hurting me. I talk of what is my enjoyment on life and then they tends to hurt me. Mall. I write mall. Why I could not remember? There is portion in here I could not remember. So only this is what I remember.
Kumain ka na kasi hindi ka pa kumain ka rin ng tanghali. Ay, gabi. Mm.
I feel dizzy at the moment.
Walang ano lagyan mo na siya ng tubig.
Mama, wag mo na
Ano
ibuhos.
mo na kasi medyo ano bahaw yan, hindi mapainit kasi pag pinainit pag ano ito na yung balat. Kumain ka na.
Conglomerate is my word when it comes into business. Conglomerate. That is year 2019 when I think of it. I say it to Alex ko and then Alex Jr. ko is behave. What is Alex Jr. ko says? You first, sabi niya. Meaning to say, myself talk first. Ganun. So that myself be na damit to. So that myself unto him be understood. Something such that. That is the definition of Alex Jr. ko saying you first on about business. Dizzy. The dizziness is from stabbing the top of head of myself on the use of knife. I could not remember. Grabe. I start my video year 2024. That is substantial. Very substantial is my year 2024 because it is being get my feeling of kabit. Na Diyos ko. And then, excuse me, I am college degree. When I say college degree, I know of how to talk. I am goodness person. My debate portion is activity only on school. Public speaking 1. English term. Year 2012. That is only my debate portion. Doesn't see. So how is it? I could not remember. Beach resort I like as well, but I not know if I put it on the my fishy dream bowl. Fishy because it is fish bowl. The right eye is super word. The definition of that person about fishy is smelly even though my fishy word the meaning is fish bowl. It is being teach on school fish fish bone as a diagram. Kalok, I am college degree accountancy. I need to say it. It is important as well when I talked about in here 30 minutes and 20 seconds. Myself feels it is important to say. Kaya nga. I need to. I could not remember. Wait lang, ang taga ka siya. I write it March or April, year 2019. The feeling of myself during I write my fishy trim bone is girly. Girly and then ambition. Ambitionist. Oh, ambitionist. I didn't see. But when I think of it, think of it, the accurate year of it is such as 18. During year 2019, I am 24-year-old. Tahimik ko. I not know what is being says. Ponsansa daw. Ahan na ponsansa. What does it mean? Ah, gift ko yun sa father ko. Idea. Tahimik ko. Birthday gift yun. Travel to na one. What else? Apartment there is. Oh, it is being returned when I talk or search this word. My neck and my back chest on the right is a. I not know if it is me or si Alex. I not know if it is me or Alex Junior ko that has wound on the back. I not know yet, but it is itchy. The wound is tends to dry. That is what I could feel. I not know what it means. I feel worry. Tahimik to. Hanggang kailan? Nadagatan. What do I think on the wound on the back? Wound. Wound on the back. In here. At this back. In here. Oops. In here. In there is the wound. It is itchy and then it is ouchness. Tahimik ko. Nadagatan. This is so very wrong. There is gold digger. Bad person be dead. What else? I will just eat while thinking of the content. My Toyam guys is year 2021. It is year 2019. There is bad person here, Philippine. They should be dead. I not want in I myself wants to at America. I not want in here. Bad person this country is. When I this is as well an information when I tends to shorter my hair when I do salon and then short hair year 2012 the television during that moment is ABS-CBN television Temptation of Wife and then what it is during year 2012 they put it on a situation of trending And then what it is effect on myself. It is such as noisy, chismosa, chismis. Not know what it means. I'm not kabit. There is a specific person that tends to ruin my life. My selfish goodness talaga. Meaning to say, my self-existence here in Philippines is behave, and then I enjoy my life of such as going at mall, and then myself is work, love, life, travel. Those person on my ear, they should be dead. It is good that there is word of what is being says of Prince William. I will talk. Angas-angasan this country. Ayun. The specific person is angas-angasan. Specific person. The angas-angasan in English translation, it is such as this. Mm, tends to tends this description in here. The the meaning of it, those person in specific country is such as the description of them is feeling high level. They is feeling high level and then tends to do quarrel. Such that. Na want you. Truthfulness is what I say. They is angas-angasan. They is putting me on traumatization, and then they is killing me, and then they is backer of Kabit. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri. From University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri, Kabit. Matinding Kabit. Timik ko. Yeah, never apologetic is me. Never apologetic is me because of I enjoys my life here at Philippines, and then what they're doing is talking on my ear so that they could kill me. Am I being understood of how they is criminal? They tends to kill me even though I not socialized to them. Please help me. Diyos ko. The word Diyos ko is such as, oh my God, Jesus Christ. Something such that is what is the definition of Diyos ko. Myself is being killed here at Philippines. Please help me from other country. This country, Philippine country, is so pervert. My feeling is they get it. They is criminal. Amo, ayup ka. What else? I am thinking of business that I think of appliances. No. No, I think no. I could not remember in here. So at the moment that is my talking about it. What else could I airlines? No. No. Diba? Myself is simple and yet they is killing me. Why? I not hurt other person. I am just behave on this country. The behaveness is I enjoy of my life and then they tends to talk on my ear and then they is killing me. Napakasama ng ginawa sa buhay ko. I am a girl gender. Kadiri ka, bastos ka. At this moment, they is putting the situation on, something such that. Even though what is I say is truthfulness, they is criminal. What else? Oh, another information about farm. They say 7-year-old is me. Year 2021, it is being says, I have a farm daw. They say I have a farm and yet, not that and yet, the kabit girl gender, kabit number 3, the fast mode is tends to be noticed such as clean, natag in prostitute. I'll talk now. Year 2021, they say the right eye say I have farm land 7-year-old and then it is not being plant a crops. It is being put on Tenga mode. I not know the reason. Tenga mode just as it is a land, farmland, but no crops. I not know. Mine is my location. North, north. That is what you could say. North, North Luzon. Just it seems, yeah. They say 7-year-old is me. I am curious when it comes to that. Curious year 2021. A farmland that has no crops. Weird, diba? Kaya nga. Weird. Farmland that has no crops. Weird talaga. I not know. Never apologetic is me. Consistent is myself. Oh, my being goodness is as well they uses it. Very wrong they is. Bad person be dead. Bad person is bad person. The kabit. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri is on a situation of getting of what is mine. That is why I am saying the word Kadiri so that the person is not getting of what is mine. But she uses black magic so that myself is getting of what is mine. Ew. Kin lang Alex ko. Goodness is me. My pureness is what myself is thinking. That is why I talk. I will talk. Ang kapal ng mukha, nakakadiri sila. My curiosity is about science. When it comes onto that land, I not know why. I feel energetic only in here. In here. Let's see. If it is 7, I am 29. Oh, that is 22 year already. Not know. I not know about it. I will just behave. When it comes into that, I not know who handles it. Temiko. What is being shown is mine is mine. If I no Temiko. During that moment, what is being shown is Noynoy Aquino, former president. I not know what it means. Not Noynoy Aquino. Private, I not know. That is what is being said. I just say what is being said. Kaya nga, talk lang ng talk. The right artery is being said. 7-year-old myself not thinking of business. My thinking of business is college degree. Mine is mine. If I have such that mine is mine, then I will talk. I need married ka na, let's go. The person does not stop on talking. Oh, oh, the right eye is saying what my thinking process and science about the farm. The mud, the texture of it, and then the sunlight. Ganun. Ay na, ano. Tama ba? It is grade school. It is being teach about land. Private school. It is being teach about in school about land texture. Ayan na. The Netflix person is on the right eye. Awaits. Ati Taba. Ati Christine Esperanza tends to create hawk. Hawk. Letter H, letter U, letter L, letter K. About it's moving. It's moving. I tends to clean it, and then it tends to grow the inside of it, and then only minimal, only little is the white portion of my nail. It's moving. Actually, so this one is the old, and then this one is the new. Oh, that is good. Myself is 29 already. My nail is such this. What's that? Oh. Or someone is tends to destroy it. The portion, this portion thick, and then in here is thin. Ate Christine Esperanza, Ate Taba. That is what I call her because of Talking Year 2021. The closeness, clinginess, that is. When I say clinginess, negativity. When it is closeness, it is positivity. But closeness is definition, clinginess as well. At ito ba did imaginative did creates imagination of hawk, letter H, letter U, letter L, letter K on the North Luzon. Myself butters. Mine is mine. And then on the side of farm field, No. I want to behave. That is what I say during year 2021. Even this year 2025, I want to behave on that. Kaya nga, takot-takot si. Ay, not sight eh. It is just being say. Kaya nga, timid to. Takot ko siya. And then, what else? Oh, I like my talking to. Oh, her feeling likes solar panel talking year 2021. Ano dun sa? What else could I say? What there is information when it comes onto that farm? Oh, someone is doing imagination. Tends to put scarecrow on farm field. Why they is such that? Oh, they is putting knife on chest. Why? I not know. Why they is such that? Hindi ko alam. It returns on myself on pinkiness. That is the color of my baby. Dang ko. I use papaya. Oh, crazy. Papaya is very popular here Philippines. Why this on gluta? I not know. Dang ko. Not want you. Nabubuhayan on my right side. The person is tends to be alive. And then I not know about in here, right here. What else could I say? I am on year 2019 Fishy Dream Bone and then I say the portion talking year 2021. What else? Aray ko, ang sakit. Lover likes ko brownish color. Brown color. Not knowing it comes into that. Why do I feel such that? Tends to load. Na? Not to say. Damn it. Weird. Weird it is. Wonders why. Lover ko, Alex ko. Doon lang, Alex ko. What else? What am I about to say a while ago when it is about load? Very productive or gone. Load. 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 For instance, this is basket. this is basket, and then the content of it is little. The definition of load is I am holding this, and then this is mug. It is heavy. If I put in here, it is load. Something such that. It, and then such this heavy. Ganon. Is being load. The definition. Why? Ay, ano? Di kita Alex ko. Kita Alex ko. What else? Dikit. Myself tends to I want to be with Alex Jr. ko. Ano kay G? Lapad ako lam. Ay nga use black magic. Dikit na Alex ko. Dikit Alex ko. Then timing ko. I will talk now. Dikit Alex ko. I will talk now. Oh, it removes the load. Why? No. Married kami ni Alex. I will talk now. Where am I? On Fishy Dream Bone. What else? At the moment, this is what I could think. The milk tea, the portion of milk tea, when it is year 2019, I think of my Fishy Dream Bone March or April. Then about milk tea, the assume feeling. The right eye tends to assume about coffee tea. Is that a coffee tea? Coffee milk tea? The blue-green milk tea on Barangay Pinagsama during year 2019. The assume feeling, the assume vibes tends to high level. I not know the reason. Oh, Gab Kid is showing on my right eye. Science. Hemik ko? Hemik. What else? My tooth. My tooth decay. 22-year already. I don't know what it means. It is says to put on Serizal statue. There is could press it and then could himik ka. That's my moment to Alex ka. I want to behave on that. Himik ka. will proceed now. So I will not talk about it at the moment. Oh, I need to talk because myself is being killed. In here, my tooth decay, 22-year already. And then, they not allow me to remove it on my gum. Why? Because they say I should wait to Alex Jr. ko to come on myself, to come to myself, to come, letter C, letter O, letter M, letter E. And then, information telling about the movement to myself, to put my tooth decay, they say on statue of Jose Rizal at Luneta Park. Why? Because it needs daw. They say it needs. Ayan na. I not want Danica. Danica tala niya. Gilar is killer. So that is the about love life of myself to Alex ko. I am thinking of business for family when it comes on to having a child. Hmm. And then the next is busy mode is myself in 2019. Thinking of business idea. What else? Inside of the house vibes. Inside of the house vibes. If myself is on in here, business idea portion, I will talk about it. Inside of the house, behave, and then happy, enjoy, such as typical family doing inside of the house. I not want Danica. Seriousness, truthfulness, I not want them. There is not sense of humor. There is bad person. Not want you. The word bad person they is putting on the left side or left ear. Not know why. The next is inside of the house. That is only I could say Corina. Corina year 2019. Working. And then mm, working. Working on company. DXC. Working on company DXC. Ganda accent. Corina accent is beauty. Something such that. English accent of Corina. Na ano about it. Tingin ko. Because of she is talking on foreigner. Next. That is all I could say. Corina is singing. Ariana Grande, year 2019. Truthfulness, good to, it should be to talk. Year 2019 it is Ariana Grande, Corina, listen to song. And then, year 2021, they tends to put hurtness on my right eye, magenta color. About Ariana Grande concert color. I should talk. Yeah. Ew, the person that is clingy. Not want them. I not want bobo camouflage. What else? I am just inside of my bedroom, talking. They tends to get to what is mine talaga. And then, oh, I am Catholic. Or should I? But I am Catholic. Sometimes I want to put cross in here. Catholic is me. The symbol of Catholic. Church. Cross. Why? I not want this location. Nandidiri ako. Pure is me. Catholic. I not want them. I talk in here for interrogation, not for yak. Yatch is not a yak. Kadiri talaga. Criminal day is. Pinsan of Alex ko. What is on myself is the age is younger rather than Alex ko. Younger. They tends to hunt the person on the America. And then the face is Wilson when it comes onto my life. This is how they kills me. Margie Talanya is eager to kills me when it comes onto love life. That person is criminal. That is why I not want to socialize onto them. They is bad person. They tends to ruin my life. I not talk to them. I not want them. They is sukadiri, criminal. Could please understood me? I am just behave on this earth. I enjoys my life, and then they tends to interfere. Could you not think of it? Or could you please understood it? Because myself is being killed. I need to enjoy my life. At the moment, they is hurting my left eye. Harassment it is. Inside of the house, they tends to harass me. Seriousness is what I say. They not want me on a lifestyle of rich, even though my life is pertains onto rich. I not know why they is tends to not want me to be on rich lifestyle. Rich, such as uh, not gold digger is me. Rich lifestyle, they not want me on a situation of a lifestyle that belongs to myself. When it comes on to family, o di ba? Am I being understood of my talking in here? There is person that does not want me to be rich person. Rich person definition has a lot of money. Am I being understood? I not want to socialize to those talanya cousin of my mother. Myself is Love Life Alex Jr. ko, civil engineer. Alex ko, year 2018, says to myself, never socialize to cousin o never socialize to relatives because of I will know the reason. And then year 2025, this year, this is the happening. They is killing me. Ano mukha mo? And then during Alex Jr. ko say that year 2018, I not think of it because they not socialize to myself. Ano mukha mo? Hayop kayo. Am I being understood? Please naman. I need help because myself is being killed. Nakakadiri harassment nila oh. College degree ako. When I am doing, when myself is on college degree, myself is the person that is studying indoor. Asia Pacific College. Married is me to Alex ko. That is why I need help from Europa, especially European mafia. I will talk as well the existence of mafia on this 7 year, 8 year of black magic so that myself be understood. They is killer. I not want them. I'm just behave and then they tends to kills me. I not socialize to them. Nakakadiri. Killer. Diyos ko. They is putting blind on my left eye. The husband of Tita Evelyn Talanya is killer. And then they is on creation of situation so that myself be towards to them. Diba? That is so crucial. They is killer. Amen. Bastos sa pervert. Bastos Tagalog word, in English word pervert. Inside of the house. Alex ko, year 2018 does not hurts me. Kapal ng mukha mo, di ka kailangan sa buhay. I could hear the voice of the girl gender talking on my left ear. What else inside of the house? Year 2019. Of what I say here 2019 monthly, that is the doing of myself inside of the room. Excuse me. What else? Not want you. Nothing to say. My God, rental house is that house. Myself, my family that I am and child is on the second floor. I not want you. The harassment person is clingy. Not even think so them, punyeta ka, hayop kayo. I need help from other country. Inside of the house. Oh, I'm just inside of my bedroom. Criminal! Hello! Sana talaga may nag-iigsis sa buhay ko na ikamamatay nung nasa tenga ko.
Nakain ka na? Kumain ka na?
Sana talaga. Because myself is being killed. Kakadiri. Bad person be dead. I not want to say about that person. Kadiri. I not even wants that doing. Not part of my life. Kadiri ka ako kunyan. Kadiri ka. Hayo, hayo. Hayo. It is as well includes on my life year 2019 about my wedding. And then this is what they're doing. Killing myself. I need help. Kadiri ka. Wala kayo sa kasal ko. Hayop ka. I wish they be dead. Please kill those angkan of them. So this is how they kill me. Talking, they talks on my ear and then they is killing me. Hayop! Hayop! Myself is being understood. Somehow they kills me. I not want in here. I wanna know meaning. There is on creation of situation so that to be favor to them the moment even though my life is not pertains onto them or which is my life should be mine. That is this is how they kills me. uh the Aguilar, the husband of Tita Evelyn Aguilar, Halanya Aguilar. I will say, tita, nakakadiri ka kasi. Nakakadiri gawain niyo pangungulam. Is killer as well. I'm not artista. I'm not pretentious. I not want them. Punyeta ka. They is killing me. Ano ba? Ano? Ah. The person wants to stab my chest. Itong yan. The criminal, the bobo camouflage criminal is wants to stab my chest. Jerica.
Yes, ito naman ang tao dyan.
This is how they traumatize me, harassment. Mother pa ba yun?
Sumayad ka na lang, kuya. Ang tatagal mo.
Mother pa ba yung ginagawa nila? Hindi that doing is parenthood. They're getting of my feelings.
Bayad na ano. Mangingi ka ng sinisang ipapa mo.
Ang bastos nila, specific is what I say. Specific is what I say. I will never socialize to Margita Lanya. That is tita. Cousin of my mother. Alam mo ka mo, cowboy! I wish HIV and AIDS cancer illness happens here Philippines so that they know of how they not interfere on a life that they is not pertains on to at. And then when the HIV and AIDS cancer illness targets a person, all relatives of those person that is hurting. Could it be happen? I wish sooner already or tomorrow or today so that they be dead already. Myself is being killed. Baboy Karen Talanya is killing me. Harassment that person is tends to harass me. Bobo. Ah, am I being understood? That I am videoing myself, oh. I need other countries, such as America. May situation is being killed here in Philippines talaga. Seryoso yung sinasabi ko. My son is being killed here in Philippine country. Pervert people killer Philippine country. They is killer. I am a bride. Myself is a bride. The kid age tends to talk on the person that to stop of what is they're doing. So meaning to say the killer is as well kid age. Ang kapal na mukha mo. But is being shown my right eye, the kid age is on kabaong. I'll talk now. O, diba? When I say, o, diba, their motives is to get of what is mine, and then this is what they're doing, hurting me. I wish there is the person that is being unhurting so that they could be dead already. I'll talk now. Inside of the house, como? Inside of the house, the next is energetic pampering and relaxation. Bad person is baboy Karen niya. That portion is I will not say as well. So that truthfulness body movement casket. That person first impression of myself criminal. Oh, criminal. Bad person is my first impression. Energetic is inside of the house. I already say that my mother tends to be babysitter inside of the house. Inside of the house. But person day is criminal. Ew. Inside of the house. Inside of the house is so nothing to say more on inside of the house year 2019. My father doing on myself is um, drives me on school and then getting myself from school to home. So parang he drives me from home to school morning, and then he drives me he gets me from and then he drives me from school Asia Pacific College to home to house. That is the doing of my father. And then what else? Not until bad person is bad person, criminal is criminal. Madiri kayo! What else? Morning is what my I not wait lang. Morning is what hmm? I will say of my 7 year black magic, 8 year of black magic about of what is happening. I will talk lover Lex ko, not what them. Inside of the house. Pure is me. When it comes on to Europa, the holy, the queen is so high level. I am part of community only. Talk. inside of the house. Nothing to say. So the next that I will say is my cloth that I am wearing. I bought it on Shopee mostly, and then it is chiffons, chiffon, and then cotton. What it is about? It is dress that I wear, and then on my eye here is blindness, such as about feeling. Yeah, married kami, Alex ko. 29-year-old already is me. They is killing me when it comes on to teaching person to person. Pa-Cinderella, Cinderella. And then you're just hurting me. Cryness is not a teaching, a lesson. That is on myself. When you copy it, I wish you be dead. Cancer. Energetic. Yeah, akin lang, Alex ko. The next is, oh, they interfere. Oh, am I being understood? It is 1 hour 30 minute and 32 minute and 59 second. I am on the portion of inside of the house talking, and yet they interfere. They is criminal. And now, what is being shown on my right eye is Danica Talanya Aguilar. Akin lang, Alex ko, continuous love life ko, Alex ko. Brownish color. What else? Inside of the house. Oh, the dress. The dress that I wear, it is blinding me. Blinding me. What is the definition of blinding myself? Uh, my eye is being put on black. Oh, the description of the black color, the pupil that tends to such this. Why? They tends to blind me. Hmm, technology boss. What I could thinking at this moment is there is person that tends to interfere on my talking, and then putting myself on blame. I'll talk now. The dress that I bought on online shopping tends to blind me, and then on myself it is fun, but the left eye is being target only, not the right eye. On the left eye, it tends to blind me. Blind. How is it blind? Only the thinking process is of what is. Hmm, I will talk. Only the thinking process is day to day basis. Wrong. 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 Myself should bought at mall. Mall is not mall. At the moment I am talking, the right eye is targeting me. They tends to destroy my left eye because they is putting me on killing. At the moment, the person that talks is the right eye says baboy current lang niya. The meaning of it is they tends to kills me on the use of black magic. Is there a law about harassment? I not talk to them, I not socialize to them, and then they is the person that is clingy to myself on the use of black magic. They tends to get of what is mine and then putting illness to myself. Is there a law? Because they is killer eh. What else my observation on, yeah.